Here's how to use Minimax audio in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can turn text into natural sounding audio quickly and use it for videos, presentations, or any project without needing recording equipment. Start by opening the Minimax platform on your device and going to the audio or voice section. Once you're inside, you'll see options for generating speech using different voices. The first step is choosing a voice that fits your project. You can select from available voices or use a custom one if you've already created it. Each voice is a slightly different tone, so pick one that matches the style you want. The second step is entering your text. In the text box, type or paste the content you want the system to read. This could be a script, narration, or short message. Try to keep your sentences clear and properly spaced so the audio sounds more natural when it's generated. After that, adjust any available settings. Some options may allow you to control speed, tone, or how the voice delivers the message. Small adjustments here can make a noticeable difference, especially if you want the audio to sound more relaxed or more energetic. The next step is generating the audio. Once your selected text and settings are ready, start the process and wait a few moments while the system converts your text into speech. When it's done, you'll be able to listen to the result directly on the platform. If the audio doesn't sound exactly how you want, you can go back and edit the text or adjust the settings. For example, adding pauses with punctuation or breaking long sentences into shorter ones can improve clarity. You can repeat this process until the output sounds right. Once you're satisfied, download the final audio file and use it in your project. This could be for videos, voiceovers, presentations, or any content that needs spoken audio without recording it manually. To get better results, focus on writing clear and natural sounding text. The more natural your input, the more natural the audio will sound. You can also experiment with different voices to find the one that fits your content best. By following these steps, you can use Minimax audio to create the voice content quickly and easily. With just a few simple actions, you can turn written text into clear audio and save time while working on your projects.